There is the importance of education. We get the respect by the education.
बड़े खतरनाक लोग हैं.
Only for earning the money. So in your opinion, money is more important than the education.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
It's my compulsion. My family members are saying me to study. That's why I am studying. Family members are saying me to study. That's why I am studying. Otherwise, I am not interested to study.
If you don't
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है नहीं
Dear, you are saying that without money we cannot get education. So there are so many government schools in Jaipur and anywhere, and we can get education from that.
राजा जी अपनी शक्तियों का पूरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो.
First of all, thank you so much for giving me this greatest opportunity to speak over here. This is me, Nikita. Welcome you on this beautiful debate competition. So, guys, today we're gonna be having an amazing debate competition. It's all about education versus money. And today, I and my team wanna go with money. So today, for the proving this that how the money is more important than the education, I and my team will give you some examples or the points in the favor of it. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, guys. My name is Aditya. Now we are doing a awesome debate on a special topic which name is education versus money, and we are in the favor of education. According to me, education is good thing because by the education we can be a successful person and we can earn the money.
Yeah, but dear, what do you want to? Why do you want to get education? Only for earning the money. So, in your opinion, money is more important than the education. Because if you want to be a educated person you want to become an educated person for earning the money. So, in your opinion, money is important.
So tell me, why are you reading here for why are you reading here for earning money? So you need to study first for earning money.
Yeah, but if we have money, so we no need to study here. It's my compulsion. My family members are saying me to study. That's why I am studying. Otherwise, I am not interested to study.
If you don't have knowledge, so how will you earn money? Just suppose that you are opening your business. So how will you earn money? Because you don't know about the you don't know knowledge. So how will you earn money? If you have knowledge, so you can open your business.
I have knowledge, but finally I want to only earn money by the knowledge. But you said that education is nice. So do you want to only be a educated person?
Yeah.
Don't you want to don't you want to earn money?
No, there is not importance of money. There is the importance of education. We get the respect by the education.
Nowadays, in this modern era, a person who is getting, respect, who has money, a lot of money. That's why he is getting, respect.
But I think that there is no importance of money in front of education. Yeah, you tell me, how can you earn money? What is the source that you can earn money? Tell me something.
I can earn money many types. Like, I can do black business.
Black business, like if you have education, then you can do black business. If you don't have education, then how can we take anything, and how can we put it on any country? Then how can you do the black business?
But if you want to be a educated person, so first you should have money, because you will, for the education you have to spend money.
But if you are earning money, if you are doing any business, if you are doing any type of job, so you need education. No one will give you any job. You can't also open your business.
I
And if you have knowledge,
just what are you saying?
Yeah.
That for money we should have education, but for
You tell
education
me.
first we should have money.
you have knowledge, then you can earn money. But
If you have no
But
money,
without education, you can't earn money.
Listen me. If you have no money, so how will you get knowledge?
Of course, we can get education.
If you will
you
come
can
in
go in the
school,
government
you will have
school.
to pay.
Can't you go in government school?
But in the government school, the government don't give us, the dresses.
Who said you? You go in the Noah's
One
government
year I
school.
went in government school.
How can you say you go to Dhangoli's government school? You can get their dresses, you can get their notebooks, books, everything.
But just you suppose
you
that
can
you are
also
from
get the
Jaipur.
food in.
Just you suppose that you are from the Jaipur.
Yeah.
So will you come Dhankoli for studying?
But there is so much source that we can get knowledge. You know who was Mr. Abdul Kalam? He didn't have money, but
he had only some books and
If I take my point, so there is the education is most powerful thing, and because of the education we can go anywhere, and we have education to, so we can go anywhere and we can talk from anyone.
We can go buy the money anywhere.
But you will talk from anyone, so you have to take some education.
Dear, you are saying that without money we cannot get education. So there are so many government schools in Jaipur and anywhere, and we can get education from that.
But if you have not money, so how will you live in the Jaipur?
So if we will get education and after we will do job, so we can stay there.
But first you will have to live in the village.
So we are also there, and in the village there are also government schools.
So they will speak Marwadi.
So they speak, but they are getting educations from books.
No, they don't get education from the books.
How can you say there are so many schools like in Dankoli?
So they don't give education.
So what am I saying, that they give education from books and their teachers are giving education?
But
The
teachers
teachers gave exam,
but teachers
so they know
also
that how
don't know.
to teach the students.
First listen to me.
But we have money, then we can go anywhere and we can purchase anything. But you don't have money, then how will you take anything?
In my opinion, in this modern era, the money is the most important thing for all. Just I wanna give you example of Ratan Tata. He has very much money. That's why he was famous in all over world, all over India. I don't know that how much he has education, but because of money he was famous, not because of his education.
Yeah, Miss Nikita, before some time you was telling me that I don't have interest to study. But you tell me, what does your father do?
My father does the work of laptop.
Laptop? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Then I think your father is a farmer. That's why they are telling you that you take the education and become a successful person in your life and can earn good money.
My father is
And
not a farmer.
You can give all happiness to your father.
But my father is not a farmer. Just he does the work. He is a businessman. He is earning a lot of money. And because of that, just I am studying in this school.
Yeah.
And as I have said that for studying we should have to pay our fees first.
Yeah,
Because
tell
of
me
that we
which
can
type of business does your father do?
just I mean there is some work by the laptop.
Like, just we are speaking like from
I am
a lot
not
of
speaking
time.
lie.
Don't I know?
No, you
Am I
don't know.
not of your village?
Yeah, you are of my village, but in my opinion, you have no knowledge about my father. You have never seen to my father here.
So dear, you were saying about Ratan Tata.
Yeah.
So the Ratan Tata start the Tata Industries from the education, not from the money.
But just today,
So
he
they
is
know that
famous-
how to
he is
start.
famous
They
in
know
the-
that how to start. If
But-
they have money, so how will they
But
start
just
if
now,
they not?
why
They
he is
don't know.
famous? Because of only his money, not his education. That's why he is famous in this world. Only I want to be famous.
So
person.
when he start from education.
But just if you want to be a famous person, so first you should have a lot of money.
So
not
if,
only by
so
education,
if you don't
can
have
be a
any
famous
knowledge,
person.
so you can write an exam paper.
Why I need to write in his
So
exam
how
paper?
they start?
If I have already money, so I won't
So
study.
they start first from the money, not from the education, not from the money. If they didn't start from the education, so how will be they the good person?
But just I am talking about being famous person.
The Sumit have money, but he is studying here. Why? Because he wants to study and he wants to become a good person, and because because of the study, the Sumit will famous, not from money.
I have given you example of Ratan Tata, and just I wanna give you an example of Elon Musk. Just he has a lot of money, that's why he is famous. And just
You were telling about the Ratan Tata. So for making the product, he need the education. He if they don't know about the education, so how will he give the salary to his employees?
So according to me, education is anytime better than money, because if we have education, so we can check the quality of any product, we can see the expiry date, so we will not ill.